Hello and a warm welcome to everyone joining us today. I'm your host Dalvinder Kaur from lovely Professional University. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into today's topic that is the journey of art direction in cinema. Before we proceed further, allow me to introduce the experts of the day. Dr. Sneha Samadar, Associate Professor and HOD, School of Liberal and Creative Arts, Lovely Professional University. Her areas of expertise include world cinema, film movements, and the history of Indian cinema. Dr. Samadar also brings media studies and gender research, enriching academia through teaching and film appreciation. So now I would like to introduce Ms. Boshali Sinha, production designer and art director. With a career marked by creativity and innovation, Ms. Boshali has earned numerous national and international accolades for her work. So now I would like to introduce the admission nominee also in this webinar, Mr. Ashish Kumar Sharma, a former journalist turned academic counselor with 10 plus years of experience, currently serving as a senior officer and territory head in tie ups and public relations at Lovely Professional University. Before we proceed further in today's session, I would like to request everyone for any questions you can write in the chat box or in the Q&A box, and same will be addressed from my side in the end of this webinar. Now I'm going to hand over this session to our experts, Dr. Sneha Samadar and Ms. Boshali Sinha, and it would be an absolute delight to listen from them. Over to you both.
Thank you so much, Ms. Dalvinder. Most welcome, Boshali ma'am, and it's a pleasure to have you here. The
Pleasure.
topic that we are planning to discuss today is pertaining to a very important aspect of filmmaking, which is art direction. So, an expert of this field, getting these insights, specifically someone who is from the industry. Uh, to start with, I would like to ask you that one of the bases of a film idea is the script. So, when a
Right.
script comes to you, I would really like to know that what is the first step that you take when you have a script in your hand? How do you proceed from there?
Well, first of all, thank you very much for having me in this webinar. Coming to your question, so when we have a script initially, we do have narrations. I do go through the entire script to see what's the genre of the film. Is it action? Is it rom com? Is it more like social message and all? So yes, we do go through an entire like detailed bifurcation, the way we do bifurcate, in fact. So once we have the script, we go through the entire script. Then we sit with multiple sessions with the director and the first ADs and producers probably, and then gradually I'll have my team to sit in the script. Then there are like multiple bifurcation, as in like we have master breakdowns, we have art breakdowns, we have action prop breakdowns. So all that task, once we get the script and once we understand where we are heading to, basically.
Okay. So, how are you briefed by the director? What are the things that the director tells you, and then from where do you take that step ahead?
So, me individually, I always prefer a narration first, because
Mhm.
that is how you understand the totality, the flavor of the film actually. So the director would definitely come and say, "Ki Vaishali, this is what we are targeting. This is what you will have to make, or these are the specific houses or locations or characters that we'll gradually have to develop." So all the minor detailed characterizations, then the locations, then what how he perceives the film, what the film, since the director is the captain of the ship, so he'll have a thought process of how he wants to execute it. So he will definitely give me an entire brief. I mean, before a major brief there are multiple smaller briefs also, so once we lock
Mm-hmm.
everything, then we go for a major proper sitting and briefing for like, then also that also continues for multiple times.
Right, right, right. So when we talk about art direction, what role does genre or tone or specifically nowadays when we have period drama that play in your perception, in your interpretation?
Hmm. So, as a matter of fact, I can't name it, but then there is a film of mine which is an entire period film shot in I mean 1975, that we have shot now. Basically, that will be
Okay.
released in coming 2 3 months. So
Oh,
yeah, so when we and that is one film which we, I mean, I and my entire team has worked really hard, since it's a period film. So once you show something, once you portray something, you can't, I mean, there can't be any single minimum minutest glitch in that. So if when we open the camera, if we are interiors, that's much better because we'll do the set according to us, make the entire set, build the entire set. But when we go outdoor and when we are shooting a period drama or a period film, so that is when we'll have to look forward to a specific space. So nowadays also there are places which are still 20, I mean 20, by its look they are like 20 30 years, they go back 20 30 years. So
right. Hmm.
then we do prop it up, like this particular film we shot in Lucknow. So the Lucknow ki galiyan, and then the street lamps, and the glass works, they are still, the existence of that era is still there. After that we take the whole in the subconscious of my viewers, we have to take them back to like 30 years back when we are showing 75 or
Yes,
something. So uske
yes,
liye we have to recreate the whole thing. So be it the movie के posters जब आए थे, या कप कैसे होते थे, glasses कैसे होते थे, गाड़ियां कैसी होती थी, number plates कैसे होते थे, all that thing comes into matter. So when I say it's a period film, it's every smallest detail that we have to actually go through. Smallest.
right, right. So, as you mentioned, the smallest detail is considered. One of the most important aspect to represent something, some element, be it time or genre, is makeup and costume. So, how do you think makeup and costume play a important role in this as well?
So definitely makeup and costume, they play a very important role. However, like we in India, we don't everywhere. I mean, not in every particular film we do preach that approach where all these things they come under production design. So production design is an umbrella term where your makeup, your lights, your costume, everything comes under that umbrella term. So here
Right.
we have bifurcated or we have deviated a bit, but yet definitely when I mean when I see a film, when I perceive a film, the costume designer definitely sits with me throughout, because we make a color palette. What color palette they are having, is it a contrast one, is it a monochrome one,
Right.
do we need
Right.
warm colors, do we need cold colors, do we need to create a contrast, or we don't? Like, just for example, if we go to if you see Bansali films, last 2 3 films, there are hardly any contrast. They are like mostly monochromatic films. एक color के
Yes.
darker tones, lighter tones, and things like that. So that is when we'll have to decide कि okay, ठीक है, if we are going for a lighter tone, if we are going for beige, we are going for ambers, we are going for sienna, all these different kind of colors. If you are going for that, we choose the monochrome of a single color, and then we divide it accordingly. So sare, all these factors, even all the departments matter actually. All of us are like not independent, we are interdependent rather, in
Right.
making a
Right.
film.
Okay. So, can you share one of the examples of your films where, anything that you feel is worth mentioning and discussion, where the students will be able to grasp and understand the actual complexities of, involving all departments? Because I think when you're talking about art direction and everyone is involved, because the entire vision is a collective vision. And
Right.
is there any example, any instance from the industry that you would like to share?
So actually there are multiple, I mean, in every film which we do, in everything that we do, we do have different kind of like different kind of challenges, different kind of logistical challenges, different kind of production challenges, different, I
Right.
mean, the challenges vary like anything. Like like just for a, if giving you a small example, my like the film which released Bhaiya Ji, I don't know if you know of it or not. So that also we shot in Lucknow. So a lot of films we are shooting in Uttar Pradesh
Mhm.
currently. So when we shot that, like it was an outdoor, it was an entirely outdoor film. Everybody was in sync, and it was raining persistently. So abhi
Okay.
outdoor we'll have to do. We have to
Yeah.
shoot also. We have characters like actors, Manoj sir ke dates. There were two three other big artists, उनके dates. Everything was there. तो अभी करें क्या, क्योंकि एक दिन रुक सकते हैं, तो दूसरे दिन रुकेंगे तो आपका मीटर चालू हो जाता है, और वैसे तो डे वन से ही चालू रहता है, बट देन it's a very it's a very cutthroat when it comes to time, because time is money in
Right.
filmmaking.
Right.
So so that was one time when I think production, and generally production and art or production design are like cats and dogs, or mouse or cat, one after the other. So that was one time when we logistically, when we came under one roof, and we said कि, okay, no, we have to find a solution out. So I don't know if you have seen भैया जी, उसका जो एक master shot है, major shot जो trailer में भी है, when he comes out with his jeep, and there are masses of people following him with like all kinds of hathiyar and all, banduk ye wo fala dhimka leke, they are like coming off. So
Mhm.
we overnight we created a 100 foot का pathway, because it was
Oh.
outdoor, मिट्टी था, 3 दिन से बारिश हो रही थी नॉन स्टॉप, and it was like deep, like how do you say, you can't even walk through that surface, ऐसा
Walkway.
सीन था, तो जीप तो जाती नहीं. So
Right.
we created a metal structure, a skeleton. उसके ऊपर से we kept the ply. Then we kept dry this thing, mitti, and then I kept burada after that. So burada is like
Oh.
uh, I don't know the English of burada, but it's like when you cut the wood, वो wood का जो particle बचता है ना.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
So
हाँ हाँ, right.
that
Right.
which we had used to show that effect कि गाड़ी जा रही है, and then boom करके, that typical action film का ये कि
Yeah, yeah,
मिट्टी
yeah.
उड़ती
So
है,
you
and then
created an artificial ramp and then
राइट.
that.
सो धुआं
Yeah.
धुआं उड़ता है, धुआं के बीच से लाइक आपका गाड़ी का एंट्री होता है, एंड दैट्स आवर हीरो
Wow.
प्रोटैगनिस्ट हु इज कमिंग
Yeah.
थ्रू. सो
Yeah.
लाइक दीज देयर आर मेनी मेनी situations that do come through. हर पिक्चर में कुछ ना कुछ तो बवाल होता ही है, and then we have to rectify it. So that's the part of it.
Yeah. So it's not only planning, it's also when planning doesn't work, because
Exactly.
every day is a different challenge on a set, be it
Absolutely.
from nature or from your co-stars or from your, team, and then handling that. I think that is very important. So, coming to a bit more technical aspect here, when we talk about building a set, we are also somewhere not showing the entire reality, but we are faking a reality on camera. So,
Absolutely.
how do you think that manipulation works with camera? And what is, like, you must be suggesting that these are only two walls or three walls, but we have to show that it's a complete room. So, how do you play with that? Some anecdotes on that, too, please.
So see, I have worked in 5 CR film also. I have worked in 100 CR film also, right? The more
Right.
challenging are, low budget films. Why?
Hmm.
Because आपके पास अगर 100 करोड़ का फिल्म है, तो आपके पास तो, हालांकि अब भी वैसा नहीं होता कि कोई भी प्रोड्यूसर ऐसा नहीं बोलेगा कि जी मेरे पास बहुत पैसा है, आप उड़ा लो. सो दैट नेवर हैपेंस. बट स्टिल,
Yeah.
when you are working with say अक्षय कुमार, तो आपके पास वो
Hmm.
लिबर्टी मिल जाती है कि अक्षय से पहले वो चीज एक बार नहीं 10 बार मल्टीपल्स में वो सामान आ जाए, चाहे वो लोकेशन
Right.
हो, चाहे वो एक्शन प्रॉप हो, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो. बट व्हेन वी टॉक ऑफ अ फिल्म दैट विल हैव टू फिनिश इन 5 CR और 4 CR,
Hmm.
फॉर दैट मैटर, तो उसमें
Mm-hmm.
लिमिटेशंस भी आती है कि आपका, आपका नाम तो है, तो आपको नाम को जस्टिफाई भी करते रहना पड़ता है. ऐसा नहीं कि एक फिल्म करो, यू डू वन फिल्म एंड देन यू आर नो, देन यू आर नॉट सपोज टू जस्टिफाई दैट. Your name is there, which means the output has to be good, whether we have budget or whether we do not have a budget. So that is when all these tricks, the cheat shots, the beauty shots, and all that things come into being. So मतलब इस टाइम पे, at this point of time what happens is, आप मान लीजिए, I have a 360 degree angle to show. I'm doing an advertisement and I have a 360-degree angle to show, there is almost but no budget. So then what happens is that we create an L-shaped wall. Out of the L-shaped wall, we'll see हम उसका कैसे counter shots ले, cheat shots ले, and things like that. So we make an ambience, and even with the camera, even with like our this thing. Just a second. Yeah, I have lots of cats at home. So
Okay.
yeah, so
Okay.
when it comes to cheat shot, that is where we have to see कि हम किस जगह पे कितना resource अपना use कर सकते हैं, because we don't have the budget, but we can't we'll have to show the film as an upmarket film only, the production value and
Mhm.
everything else. So this is where we on, and there is a big thing where we, if we get time, then we can have a controlled budget. Once we have
Hmm.
lesser time in hand, no, then the budget also goes out of hand, because अपने इंडस्ट्री में क्या है, अपन को ताबड़तोड़ चाहिए, और चाहिए मतलब चाहिए, there is no कि नहीं है तो नहीं होगा, नहीं तो शूट थोड़ी ना रुकेगा, या तो वो चाहिए या उसका अल्टरनेटिव चाहिए रहता है. So
Right, right.
that is something which we also preconceive, कि हमें पता होता है कि इधर बवाल होगा तो हम उसके लिए रेडी हैं. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि नहीं रेडी होते, तो तुरंत उसका सोल्यूशन निकालना होता है.
तभी के तभी, at the same time you have to think. So
Absolutely.
taking this only ahead, what would your suggestion be for these new upcoming art directors or production designers who are facing these challenges, and specifically now when we are talking about indie filmmaking, where the budget is somewhat low and they don't have such huge producers. So how should they go about it? What is your suggestion to them?
So this is not only for production design, but any team, any part of the team, anybody who does, if they have enough time for pre-production, if they have enough time
Right.
for pre-production, then once they are going on floor, they'll have their mathematics correct,
Hmm, 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 hmm.
or briefing from the director has to be accurate. क्योंकि
Right.
ब्रीफिंग में अगर ये हो कि मेरे को लाइक टोम चाहिए, और देन शूट से पहले हो कि ताजमहल चाहिए, तो वैसा फिर नहीं होता, फिर गड़बड़ हो जाती है. So that
Hmm.
has to be accurate as well. So as I said, not only the execution, even the briefing and everything is like it goes hand on hand, like
Hmm, hmm, hmm,
parallelly it goes.
hmm.
So if you have a briefing, ki my director is clear, he wants he will open only 35 mm, or he will open 100 mm, like जितना बड़ा lenses जा रहे हैं या वो close lens पे जा रहे हैं, वो कैसे जा रहे हैं. So if that brief we have, we can make a proper storyboarding. We can do the exact thing, but still 19-20 होता है, but 19-20 18-20 भी चलता है, but more than that, when it
Right.
happens, that's where it becomes difficult.
Right. So spending some time on pre-production and then focusing on what you are planning, because
A
at
lot
least
of
the
time.
80% part should be fixed. Baki, the remaining 20% can be, improvised at the end. So
Absolutely.
being prepared for that.
Be prepared
Okay.
and on paper, and like अगर मान लीजिए आपका 45 days का शूट है, तो आपका 3 महीने का प्री प्रोडक्शन तो होना ही चाहिए.
Right. Right. So that kind of rigorness during the planning stage is required.
Absolutely. That's what I
Okay.
believe.
So if we move ahead and we talk about, as you mentioned that you worked in a 5 CR film and a 100 CR film, but the one thing which is common is maintaining the set. How the set is used throughout. So how do you do that? What are the tactics to maintain the set for a shoot?
So
Maybe it's a 10-day or a 15-day on the same set. How do you work around it?
so generally जब हम इंडी स्पेस पे आ जाते हैं, so if it's an
Hmm.
indoor shoot, so indoor shoot
Hmm.
we never prefer making a set at that point of time. We would
Hmm.
prefer that we have a location and then we prop it up. It's much
Okay.
easier and much more viable and much more applicable when it happens. तो
Hmm.
when we look forward to indie space or lesser budget space, so generally ये होता है कि we go for a location. Even in bigger budgets they do that at times. We don't need to always create a set, because propping up, changing the colors and everything else matters. Set पे कब जाते हैं, मान लीजिए एक ही जगह पे आप मिनिमम से मिनिमम 10-15 दिन है, आपके घर का इंटीरियर है, तो हम घर का इंटीरियर ही दिखा रहे हैं. सो दैट इज व्हेन वी गो फॉर अ सेट.
Hmm.
और बंसाली के सेट्स ले लीजिए जिसके पास कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, but वो तो like Ramleela से we have been repeating the set only with different you know different colors, different patterns, but space wise it's the same.
Right. Okay. So now when we are talking about set, let's move to the technological advancements that has, happened. So, with time, how do you think this aspect of softwares are influencing art direction, specifically the field art direction?
So I think it not only does influences art direction, it's influencing everything nowadays.
Right. Absolutely. Yeah.
So the thing is, see, I mean, I have a lot of other students also, those who keep on asking me कि मैम अब तो AI आ गया है, ये हो गया है, वो हो गया, हम
Yes.
ये कर सकते हैं, वो कर सकते हैं, but AI तो AI है ना. So it's an artificial intelligence. जब तक उसका खुद का दिमाग नहीं आएगा, तब तक that thing or that intelligence he can't produce or reproduce another source of intelligence. Once that happens, that will
Mm-hmm.
be dangerous actually. Yeah, and or more easier. But nowadays what happens is that people have stopped using their own creativity because it's easier to
Right.
chat gpt, it's easier to
Yes.
use AI. आप कर लो, आपका ब्रेन नहीं चल रहा, but then see, if you use your brain, then only एक prototype आएगा ना at the end of the day. So if you use what you have learned, or if there is an amalgamation of your thoughts also, that also will create a new thing rather than going for a reference or an AI or a chat GPT. But yes, it's influencing a lot, and I think most of the people are using it nowadays. And gradually,
Yeah.
this is not going anywhere. It will keep on mounting only, I
Yeah.
think, if it gets better, day by day. Then yeah,
Yeah. So I think the key here is to use AI for your benefit rather than letting AI use you.
use you
So
exactly.
how to use that,
Absolutely.
utilize it, that has been very important. And the idea and the creativity on which you base something and you use the software is always important. So now,
Absolutely.
just continuing the same thing, we now also have digital sets, and half of it is, real, and half of it is digital. So how do you balance between these things, and how does it help in, visualization? How do you visualize these aspects?
So I'll give you some examples. Again, if we talk in India,
Right.
then Sali sir is the only option where I can say, or Bonkesh Bokshi, films like that. They had used a lot of VFX and CGIs and all. So these kind of course, when you are creating something extravagant, over the top, where you probably cannot go and shoot in the in the Raj Mahal or somewhere else. That's why we do create or recreate,
Yes.
or we are completely creating a space of non-existence. We don't know, like
Yes.
सावरिया जैसी फिल्म मुझे आज तक नहीं पता वो कौन से एरा में है, इनफैक्ट. सो दैट काइंड
Right.
दैट काइंड ऑफ फिल्म, इवन रामलीला फॉर दैट मैटर. So
Yes.
that's a confusing space. So that is why we use VFX. और बाहुबली आप ले लीजिए, फिर ऐसी 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 चीजें, they are also, I won't say they are, they help in budget. They do use a lot of budget, but then I think it's easier मैन पावर लेके कुछ चीज मल्टीपल्स में क्रिएट करने से बेहतर है कि आप उसको लाइक VFX में क्रिएट करें. And then it depends how real you can go with VFX, or post.
Mhm.
That also matters a lot.
Okay. So, if we talk about the aspect of involving people and using their creativity, so can you just give us one insider thing about your team meetings? That how do you all sit together and develop an idea? How does that work?
So
Maybe it is just a simple idea of creating some scene. So how are the inputs taken, and how does the process work?
So basically, it starts from like my graphic designer,
Mm-hmm.
briefing that he gets. अब graphic designer के साथ साथ आपका interior है, so graphic designer will build an overall idea. So I'll tell you, like immediate, I have one art director, 2 3 assistants, graphic designers, architects, interiors, और एन एमलगमेशन ऑफ वन और टू. एक को मतलब मान लीजिए इंटीरियर है, ही इज माय आर्ट डायरेक्टर, इंटीरियर डिजाइनर है, और एन आर्किटेक्ट है, ही इज माय आर्ट डायरेक्टर. दैट्स आल्सो अ पॉसिबिलिटी. Depends on
Mm-hmm.
how fast you learn, or a fine art student ka background hai, because I come from fine arts only. So painting is like 2D. When we make a set, it's a 3D. So that is how we decide the team, in fact. So everybody has a certain role to play. So my graphic designer would make the entire designing ki, after the brief, of course, and repeatedly sitting with the designer. So I'll have to tell him that this is what I'm looking forward to. These are the referencing that will be done by my assistants. Then then architect होता है या इंटीरियर होता है, वो 3D मॉडलिंग होता है, उसका ऑटोकैड होता है. देन उसका एवरी सिंगल डिमेंशंस, आपका अगर फर्नीचर है तो क्या डिमेंशन में आएगा, बिकॉज दैट इज यूज्ड बाय द डायरेक्टर when he is planning his shots. That is used by the cameraman when he wants to lit it up, or when he wants to have a certain space, कि कितना आगे जाए, कितना खोले, कितना बैक जाए, अगर उसको ट्रैक ट्रॉली लगा रहे हैं या फिर हैंड हेल्ड कैमराज हैं. So this is where it helps a lot. So yeah, after that I have maybe if it's a huge set, then I might have 2 3 different art directors. If it's a small set, maybe 1 or 2 art directors, then 3 or 4 assistants, जिनके अलग अलग डिवाइडेड होंगे, कि एक को एक्शन प्रॉप में लगाया जाएगा, एक को प्रॉपिंग में लगाया जाएगा, एक को सेट डेकोरेशन पे लगाया जाएगा, और एक में भी लेबर्स के साथ इन कंटिन्यूटी में रहेगा कि क्या कंस्ट्रक्शन है क्या नहीं है. सो ऑल these थिंग्स आर डिवाइडेड इन बिटवीन द टीम. So initially ऐसे बैठ के अपन डिसाइड करते हैं. then there are decks that are made कि this is how it should look like. डेक बनता है पहले अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्क्रिप्ट. डेक बनने के बाद हमारे रेकी होते हैं, रेकी के बाद एक और डेक बनता है. So the thought process, then the actuality, then all these multiple layer of work that goes on, when we do create this whole thing. Yeah,
Okay. So there are different skill sets, I think, which come together and the entire idea and the output is created. So
absolutely.
taking this ahead, can you throw some light on what are the kind of training aspects that students can undergo, or what are the fields from which, if students are coming, they can really become a part of art direction and production design?
So nowadays there are a lot of schools that has come up with art direction or production design, or the thought of it, how it's done, how it's executed, what are the theories behind it, what is the practical, and how do we execute it. But generally, like fine arts के students हो, या architects हो, interior designer हो, so basically people with a good aesthetical sense, those who have a knowledge of art, because art, painting, installations, videography, any form in that format is required when you visualize a certain thing. वो visualization और aesthetical, ये दोनों अगर aspect आ गए, then I think you can gradually learn a lot of things, because on field learn करने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा है off field से.
Right, right. Okay.
And
So
that's
maybe
how I
films.
also, sorry.
Yeah, so maybe students from maybe creative backgrounds, art direction, fine arts, films, journalism, some aspect of journalistic students, architecture. These students can actually play an important role.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we have been seeing a change and a shift in our film industry if we talk about Indian films, and now the stories have become very regional as well. Like you only mentioned that a lot of films have been shot now in the northern part of India as well. The stories of small villages, the story of the second or the third tier cities. All of these stories are coming up. So how is it going inside those villages and shooting, first of all, recording, and then obviously creating that entire scene in with people who are already present around you, who have so many questions. What are the type of challenges that you face for that?
Multiple, actually, multiple type of challenges. Because when we go to a different part of the society, when we go to there are people. So I'll tell you what I have observed. When हम जब एकदम ही base वाले village पे जाते हैं, people are very good there. Like it's all village. They don't have any idea कि भाई क्या हो रहा है. जैसे आप मान लो चंबल साइड में चले गए, उनको इतना पता है कि शूटिंग हो रहा है, या हरियाणा के
Hmm.
किसी इंटीरियर स्पेस में चले गए शूट करने, या ऐसे चलेगा. So people are very welcoming, first of all. People are helping, and then I think, do we are we still here?
Yeah. Please.
Okay, so everything just went blank. Okay, so
Yeah.
हाँ, so like for example, हम लोग राउडी राठौर शूट करने गए थे बदामी में. कर्नाटका में एक छोटा सा गांव है बदामी. उसके बाद तो खैर चलो अभी लोग फिर भी जानते हैं उस जगह को. सो वहां पे लोग ऐसे थे लाइक, पहला बात तो लैंग्वेज बैरियर, बिकॉज हम लोग आए थे बम्बई से. हिंदी वाले वो कर्नाटकीय थे, सब के सब. बट दे वर सो वेलकमिंग. मतलब अगर उनके पास सूखी रोटी होती थी खाने को तो दे यूज्ड टू ऑफर दैट टू अस. और उनके पास खाने को
Yeah.
होता ही वही था, सूखी रोटी और 3 तरीके की मिर्चियां. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, बिकॉज दे वर सो वेलकमिंग. सिमिलरली हरियाणा के गांव में गए थे हम लोग. कोई लस्सी पूछ रहा है, कोई छाछ पूछ रहा है, कोई कुछ कोई कुछ. सो दैट इज one type of spectators we have, those who are very
Right.
welcoming, very good. Then we come to spaces like more towards the city, where we call probably, मान लीजिए आप एनसीआर या एनसीआर से थोड़ा हटके हो, यू माइट फाइंड सम चैलेंजेस देयर. अरे आप इधर क्यों शूट कर रहे हो, आप उधर क्यों शूट कर रहे हो, आप ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो, आपको ये चाहिए इसका 10 रुपए लगेगा, ये चाहिए इसका 1000 रुपए लगेगा. सो अकॉर्डिंगली जैसे उनको समझ आ गया ना कि नहीं शूट वाले हैं, लास्ट मोमेंट के लिए कुछ भी करेंगे, सो दैट वर्जन चेंजेस आफ्टर
Yeah.
दैट. मेन सिटी में आप आ जाओ, आप बॉम्बे शूट कर रहे हो, दिल्ली शूट कर रहे हो, तो बॉम्बे शूट कर रहे हो तो इट्स लाइक नथिंग. लाइक शूट्स हैपन एवरी ऑल्टरनेट डे, सो पीपल आर लाइक ठीक है, यू डोंट बॉदर अस, वी डोंट बॉदर यू, दैट्स अबाउट इट, यू डू
Yeah,
व्हाट यू
they're
हैव टू.
used to it. Yeah.
Right, so they're used to it, so that challenge is not there when it comes to dealing with the people, dealing with the natives or the people. So but yes, like I haven't there have been issues which we had to go through, but they are dealt with, overcome. So I believe somehow, as filmmakers we also have to respect their space. I have seen this, कहीं भी जाते हैं कचरा डाल के चले आते हैं, या फिर सब कुछ वैसा एज इट इज छोड़ के
Mm-hmm.
चले आते हैं. So then they'll also feel, no, कि why should they cooperate, why should this happen. The worst part is कचरा डाल के निकल जाना, be it
Yeah.
inside a jungle or inside a space or a village where there कभी आपने कचरा
Mm-hmm.
देखा भी नहीं होगा ऐसी जगह पे. So that's what I feel, I think should change. But yes, this is
Okay.
one thing which happens as well.
Okay. Very interesting. Okay, so one last question before we sum up this interaction is, I would really like you to guide students or maybe aspirants who want to enter this field of art direction. What are the steps they should take? How to move ahead with that? What is the guiding rule for that?
I think the first step is, you will have to be mentally prepared for where you are getting into. Filmmaking is not an easy job at all. आप जो बाकी चीजें करते हो उससे बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है, बिकॉज आपके पास मेंटल प्रेशर होता है, फिजिकल स्ट्रेस रहता है, नींद नहीं होती, खाना नहीं मिलता, काम पहले आता है, और ये एक बार नहीं, हर रोज का रहता है. देर आर टाइम्स वे वी
Mm-hmm.
शूट फॉर लाइक 48 hours, बट ओनली एंड ओनली इफ यू लव फिल्म मेकिंग, दैट इज व्हेन यू कैन गेट इनटू इट. इट्स नॉट दैट आपको अगर थोड़ा भी लगता है कि नहीं भाई ट्राई करके देखता हूँ, सो दैट इज अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम. if you really think you can be persistent, if you want to really do it, then do it. There is ऐसा नहीं है कि I mean it's a well paid job, to be honest. Uncertain,
Mm-hmm.
lot of
Yeah.
uncertainty, but a well paid job. You have a good name and all. It's all about your choices. If you have a certain period of time where you can think, you can test and trial and see, then definitely you can go through it. But if you are persistent, then only you can make it to the top. I believe that persistency and
Okay.
logistics, these two things are very very important.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot, Ms. Boshali. Thank you for having this interaction. And
Thank
over to you, Dilvinder ma'am. Please take it.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sneha and Miss Boshali. So it was wonderful watching you talking on the journey of art direction in cinema. And now I would request to admission nominee Mr. Ashish Kumar Sharma to be on the screen. Over to you, Mr. Ashish Kumar Sharma.
Thank you so much, Ms. Vaishali and Dr. Sneha. You have given very valuable inputs to our viewers and aspiring students of film and TV production. Those who are aspiring to make a career in this particular genre, they are they are certainly thankful to you that you people are really putting valuable inputs for them. So let me share my screen. Please let me know about it, whether it is visible or not.
Yes, the screen is visible. You can continue.
Thank you so much for the confirmation. Right. So I'm here to tell you about the lovely professional university. We are hosting 30,000 plus students on a single campus, and from more than 50 countries we have students, and we are trying to make not only to make academic excellence but industry partnerships and global exposures as well, right? So this is something to flaunt about. We are now NAC A++ accredited university, and we have got 3.68 score on scale of 4, and this is the highest score among all the private universities of India. So this is something which is very dynamic about the university. So it is my suggestion to all the students, all the aspirants, those who are looking for the higher education in film and TV production, so that they should enlist the number of universities, and they should find out the qualities, what universities, what institutions are providing, right? So due to this, now we have got Universities Grant Commission has recognized us with a grant of graded autonomy #1 category. So this is one of the most prestigious college we have got recently. We have been awarded with ICAR accreditation by NAEAB, and we were the first private university those who have got this accreditation for the agriculture programs. I know today we are talking about film and TV production. So, but these are something which I really need to tell you about. Few other accreditations and approvals. Indian government has Ministry of Education, and every year Ministry of Education is proclamating rankings, NIRF rankings. So LPU ranks 27th among all the government and private universities in India. In Times Higher Education, LPU is ranked 99th in world and 6th in India, including all government and private institutions. Even IITs and NITs are into the list. And we are ahead of Jamia Millia Islamia, JNU, IIT, Gandhinagar, and NIT Delhi as well. So memberships. These memberships are very important aspect to analyze the structure of the university and the institution. If any institution is a member of Association of Indian Universities and is a member of International Association of Universities, it means they have such capabilities to provide you the exposure to expose your skills at national and international level. It means if you are having some skills, some skill set which certainly you are going to get through the skill oriented programs like journalism, interior design, architecture, and film and TV production, which we were talking about today. So certainly you are going to get good opportunities to make your own portfolios, to earn while learn, right? So you can also earn while learning into the university. You can have ample of opportunities to showcase your talent at national and international level, because we are having such memberships and have certainly we have such such is honor to provide you such opportunities. Campus facilities, of course, we have modern infrastructure. And when I talk about modern infrastructure, it doesn't mean bricks and huge buildings with a great heights, but advanced labs, research centers, and smart classrooms, studios, and the kind of infrastructure we do have in the studios at School of Film and TV Production. few college in the recent years, we are having, such a huge and such a great shout out in the sports arena. So we have produced some Olympians as well. In the contingent of Indian Olympics team recently at the Paris, we have got, 8 medals for India and for Lovely Professional University, and it is a matter of proud for our LPU. Very safe and secure residential facilities are there. We are good at research and innovation as well. Of course, placements are very good. Few of the placements which are having such a huge amount of package, 2.5 CR. Recently, we have celebrated Placement Day 2025, and more than 1,700 students have secured their job above 10 lakh rupees package. So the average package is rupees 10 lakh or more than that. So now these are the things from where the students of journalism, students of film and TV production, and other creative areas, they can get a chance to, you know make their life extravaganza. So they are going to get they are going to get the kind of exposure through these exciting events at LPU. We are we are hosting an annual fest, One India and One World, in which in the One India we are suppose we are we are having students from all the states, all the union territories of India. So in an amalgamation, in a unity, they are going to represent their culture on a particular theme every year with their friends. And similarly, in the One World, they are going to represent their culture on a separate theme every year about their country. So these are the events, annual events, which we are conducting to just not to provide an entertainment, but the infotainment, but the kind of exposure they are going to get through these events. Film and TV production students are shooting these events, and student from journalism and mass communication, they are learning how to do a piece to cameras, and they are facing cameras. They are doing talk shows, they are doing reporting kind of things for the narrowcasting news channels we are running in the university only. So such sort of exposure we are providing in Lovely Professional University. Few visitors at LPU, and they do not need any introduction. Javed Akhtar Saab, he had been there here in the campus to share his lifetime experiences with our students. Study grant is the academic excellence award which we are providing to those students, those who are not studying in LPU. This is a very dynamic feature of Lovely Professional University. Of course, we are providing scholarship to those who are studying in Lovely Professional University, but we are also providing scholarships, one-time scholarship, to those who are getting admissions in NIDs, right after qualifying the national level examinations. If they are getting admissions in NIDs and IITs from UCD examination, we are providing study grant, one-time study grant, 1 lakh rupee for them. Few other scholarship opportunities are there. We are providing uh, marvelous scholarships to those students, those who are very good at sports, very good at cultural achievements, social services, right? And through previous year qualifications, and of course from the scholarship test. Now, I want to brief this Rakshak Samman Anudan and Shikshak Samman Anudan. I'm quite sure very few universities would be there, those who are offering these scholarships. Rakshak Samman Anudan is to pay the respect to our defense forces and CAPF, Central Armed Police Forces, and Indian Defense Forces. That means Army, Air Force, and Navy. So we call it Rakshak Samman Anudan. We give them 20% additional scholarships after the applicable scholarship. And on the contrary, Shikshak Samman Anudan is supporting the wards of those who are indulge into the teaching fraternity. If your parents are from the teaching fraternity, you are going to get Shikshak Samman Anudan. So these are the two additional scholarships which we are providing. We are providing 100% scholarships to the educational board toppers. Sports, I have already shown you the glimpses of sports achievements. Neeraj Chopra, Bajrang Punia, and many other renowned faces are from Lovely Professional University. They are our alumnus. Achievements at AI level. Association of Indian Universities. I've told you about the membership we do have. Students brought glory from them, from there. So now let's go live. Let me show you how you can apply if you want to get yourself enrolled in Lovely Professional University, or you are trying to fetch any information from Lovely Professional University. Our URL is lpu.in. And for example, if you are searching programs in graduation film and TV production, we are offering two programs. One is BSc Film and TV Production, and another one is B Design Film and TV Production. BSc is a 3-year duration course, and B Design Film and TV Production is of 4-year degree course. So let me tell you about the eligibility criteria for B Design Film and TV Production. It's a 4-year degree program. 8 semesters would be there, and you must have 50% aggregate marks in 10 plus 2, and English must be studied as a subject, and that is it. It is all about the eligibility criteria, and scholarships I've already told you about. Let me show you a few glimpses and insights of film and TV production. So such good quality studios we do have, good quality infrastructure we do have uh, in the list of resources we are providing at Lovely Professional University. So these are the prominent, media partners and our placement partners. Shoot Order, R Bharat, ANI, Hindustan Times, Colors, Disney Hotstar, Chopal, Pinkvilla, NDTV, ITV Network, Amazon, so and many more, right? Balaji, and rankings I've already told you. Such post-production labs are there. Many students are doing their own projects and getting uh, good fame in the market. So such events we have conducted at Lovely Professional University. Faculty, it is a very good and very experienced faculty. Right. So there is one more forum from which you can contact us. For example, you are sitting somewhere in Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka. We do have our own team at your particular place. You just need to search it. Here you can find it out. LPU in your town, LPU offices in your city. You can select the state. For example, if you are from Maharashtra, you can select the state Maharashtra, and then the city. For example, you are from Kolhapur, Nagpur, Pune. If I select Pune, Mr. Ashok Karande, he is our university official, and he is there in the in Pune city from 28th April to 30th April at Hotel GM4 Shivaji Nagar. So likewise, you can find out your own city, and you can find out LPU counselors in your own town. You can meet them. You can get counseling over there. So that's all from my side. Is there any
Thank you
question?
so much. Yeah. We will take the questions. Thank you so much, Mr. Ashish. As I can see, there are some questions from our participants. Can we take questions, Ms. Boshali, Mr. Ashish, and Dr. Sneha?
Sure, sure, absolutely. We can take.
Okay. Thanks for giving me chance to address your questions. And now let's start with first question. Radhika is asking here, Mr. Ashish, do LPU provide the residential facilities also?
Yes, of course. We are providing, rather, let me tell you something very interesting, right? So, we are providing more than 24,000 residential services at a single campus. It is fully safe, fully secure. I must say it would be a record at Asia level. It is the largest residential facilities we are providing. Absolutely safe, secure, both for boys and for girls as well.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ashish. I hope, Radhika, you got your answer from our today's expert. Gurpreet is asking here, how has the role of the art director evolved from early cinema to modern day filmmaking?
So I think I'll answer that.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So earlier, see, it has with a lot of software, with a lot of incoming differentiation and difficulties. As the technology has evolved, everything has evolved parallelly, basically. So earlier, I do remember still when there wasn't this WhatsApp era. However, I was not there. I mean, just when the WhatsApp had started, I had joined films and all. So I just wonder, and I have spoken to few people how difficult it would have been, because nowadays it's easier if we go to a market or we go to a shop, we say, "Ye references hai, these are the references, these are the things." So and then we used to go back to the director and then we show it to them. So there was a lot of to and fro, which has reduced with technology. So technology is the one thing which has impacted, I think, art direction and any field, not only art direction, like massively. So I believe yes, it has evolved a lot from like Dada Saheb Phalke time se leke abhi tak contemporary time tak, it has evolved massively, in fact.
Thank you so much, Ms. Prashali. Gurpreet, I hope you got your answer from our today's expert. Next question, someone is asking here, what are some iconic examples of art direction in film history that significantly influenced visual storytelling? Dr.
uh
Sneha.
okay, yeah, sure, she can, yeah.
There are, in fact, many, if we speak specifically about the Indian film industry, and now when we talk about OTT, I think the recent one that we can discuss is the TV series of Hira Mandi, and the use of the art direction. It is grand, the grandness of Sanjay Leela Bhansali films, which even Boishali ma'am was talking about in her talk. And I think with time there is growth and there is change in perception. Uh, in the beginning, as we discussed in the session also, things depended on the budget. Now it all depends on how the budget is being used and what kind of set and art direction is being created around.
Thank you so much, Dr.
If
Sneha.
you can
Ms.
add
Poshali,
something, Boishali, please feel free to add. Yeah,
you want to add?
please.
uh,
Ms. Poshali.
just a few things. So the thing is, when you talk about visual like manipulation from old times till now, as an art student, artists have influenced a lot when it comes to visual storytelling. like आप impressionism लो, renaissance लो, modernism लो, या फिर उसका prehistoric era लो. So metaphorically speaking, we do use a lot of metaphors, we do use a lot of their techniques when we show it to, the Hindi film industry set aside, if we see like Bollywood also, like Hugo हो, या फिर आप अगर ये constant इनके चीजें देखें. So all these things are derived from artists somehow, somehow or the other. डाली के surrealism बोले, and then nowadays interstellar जैसी film हो वैसे बोले. So these contradictions are there throughout, but yes, the artist, all these artists do inspire us a lot when we talk of visual storytelling or a visual palette, in totality. But इसका बहुत bifurcation, in fact. This is a very short example which I gave you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Boshali, Dr. Sneha, and Mr. Ashish Kumar. I hope all the participants got the answers from our experts. As we come to the end of this webinar, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our experts for sharing their valuable insights and expertise with us. Your presence, enthusiasm, and active participation have made this experience truly special. Hopefully, the attendees found this webinar to be valuable and will be able to utilize the information for better decision making regarding admissions. If anyone wants to access this webinar again, they can visit our website, that is lpu.in, or can be accessed on YouTube also. Stay connected with us for future webinars. Until we meet again, with the permission of my seniors, I would be signing off this webinar. Take care and goodbye. Have a beautiful day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.